We are going to discuss a very important test question from calculus in this particular video. Let us enjoy the journey of learning. I am Anil Kumar. Here is a question from one of our subscribers. The following diagram shows graph of f of x equals to 6 minus 3x times 4 plus x, where x belongs to real numbers. The shaded region R is bounded by x-axis, y-axis, and the graph of f. Write down the integral for the area of the region. Find the area of the region R, right? So that's the question. So let us see how do we solve such a problem. So what we are given here is the function f of x, which is equal to 6 minus 3x times 4 plus x. To write down the integral, we need to figure out from where to where. So one point is very clear, which is x equals to 0. The other one we need to find. So basically, you need to find the x-intercept, right? So for x-intercept, y is 0. Just equate y equals to 0 here and find the x values. So from 0 multiple theorem, we can say that the two factors should be 0. So 6 minus 3x should be equal to 0, which gives you 6 equals to 3x, or 6 by 3 equals to x, which is 2. That is one value, right? The other one is 4 plus x equals to 0, x equals to minus 4. So we get two values. This one is minus 4, and the other one here is at 2. Now from the shaded region R, we know R is between the values, which is 0 and 2. So that's the area which we need to find. Clear? So now we can write down the integral, and that has to be from 0 to 2 with the function which is 6 minus 3x times 4 plus x dx. So that is the solution for part A, where we need to write down the integral for the area of the region R. Is that clear to you? Perfect. Now we need to, in part B, find the area itself. To find area, it will be a good idea to expand and simplify this particular expression and then use the integral, right? So let's do it on a fresh page. So I hope so far there are no issues, right? So we have found the area for the region R. Formula is given to you. Now let's calculate, right? So area is between 0 to 2. We know this is 0 and this is 2, right? And the function is 6 minus 3x times 4 plus x dx. So let's expand 0 to 2. So we get 6 times 4 is 24 minus 6 times x, let's write 6x first, then minus 12x and minus 3x squared. And that gives you the area from 0 to 2. Let's simplify this. We can write minus 3x squared and x, we got minus 6x plus 24. And we can use the power rules to find the integral itself. So minus 3x squared gives you minus 3x cubed over 3, right? Minus 6x gives you minus 6 times x squared over 2 plus 24x. And we are looking at 0 to 2. Is it clear to you, right? Okay. Now, let's substitute the values. So if I substitute, let me write this as the integral or the area, right? Let me write R, right? Area of region R. So it is now, when I substitute 2 here, well, we can calculate this, simplify this a bit, right? So let's simplify this a bit. Area is always positive, so we are just putting absolute value type also. So we got minus x cubed, and here we have minus 3x squared plus 24x from 0 to 2. Clearly, if I substitute 0, all will be 0. So what we're looking at is substitute 2 here, right? So minus 2 cubed minus 3 times 2 square plus 24 times 2. Absolute value, right? So we got minus 8. Here we have 4 times 3, which is 12, minus, and this is 48. And that gives you, so we can take away 20, right, from 48, and that gives you 28. So the area is 28 units square, correct? So that is how we'll find the area of the shaded region in this particular case. I hope that makes sense. Feel free to write your comments, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. You can always contact me on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.